Hello guys, we are back with our next lecture. In this lecture, let us go through the next question. Okay, so this question belongs to GATE CSC 2017, guys. Sorry, 2007. The question is, there are n stations in a slotted LAN. Okay, so each station attempts to transmit with a probability of p in each time slot. What is the probability that only one station in the given time slot is? Okay, so I think this is a previous year question, right? Yes. So basically in one of the year also it was repeated, like in that year they gave with the numericals, guys, right? Yes. So now they gave it directly. Okay, so now the question which you should understand here carefully is, so each station attempts to transmit with a probability p. So transmit. Okay, so what is the transmit probability, guys? P. And what is a not a transmit probability? It is a 1 minus p. So if you recall, if you are having two devices, if you want to transmit from one device, it is nothing but p into 1 minus p, right? Yes. So if you are having two devices in this way, so here the power will be 1 and here the power will be 2. So in total your number of devices should come, right? Yes. So in the same way, if there are n devices here, okay, so in total assume there are n devices. So one device will come here. So indirectly n minus 1 will come here, right? Yes. And what they asked in the question is, they asked the probability that only one station transmits in the given time. So basically they are talking with respect to each and every one. They are not asking about one. So that is the reason why how many devices are there, that many times you are going to add it, right? Yes. So at the end you can write it as n into p into 1 minus p whole power n minus 1. So that is nothing but option C. Option B is the correct answer. Got it? Yes. It's a quite a direct question, guys. The only thing is it is based on the conceptual understanding. Got it? Yes. So the main thing that you should remember is only one device can send at a time and the rest all are idle or they are not transmitting. So with that understanding, you can say that p into 1 minus p whole power n minus 1. And here all the devices will have the same probability, right? Because they clearly give that for all. So that is the reason why you can directly multiply with n. So in few questions, if they give separate probability for each and every device, so each and every time you will substituting in the formula and you will get the answer. Got it? Yes. So anyway, like that type of question is also there, I think so. So anyway, while discussing it, you will get the idea. Okay. Yes. So I hope everyone got a clear idea. So in the next lecture, let us continue with the next question. Thank you. Thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe for more awesome videos like this. Thank you.